Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canvas gesso. Gesso is a crucial primer that prepares your canvas, providing a smooth and absorbent surface for your paints. Making your own, gesso gives you excellent control over its texture and can save you money, especially for larger projects. We'll walk through a simple, effective recipe to help you achieve a professional quality surface for your artwork. To begin, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need 1 part plaster of Paris, which is your filler, and 1 part PVA or white glue for binding. Next, grab 3 parts white acrylic paint to give your gesso its color and body. Finally, have approximately 1 part hot water ready to adjust the consistency. Don't forget a mixing bowl, a stirring stick, and a jar with an airtight lid for storage. Now, let's mix our gesso. In your mixing bowl, combine the 1 part plaster of Paris, 1 part PVA glue, and 3 parts white acrylic paint. Stir these ingredients together very well until they are thoroughly combined. Then, gradually add approximately 1 part hot water, stirring continuously. Keep mixing until you achieve a smooth, lump-free consistency, similar to pancake batter. This careful mixing ensures a perfect primer. With your gesso ready, it's time to apply it to your canvas. Use a brush or roller to apply thin, even coats, working in one direction. Allow each layer to dry completely for at least 1 hour before applying the next. For a super smooth finish, you can lightly sand between coats. For optimal results, let your final gessoed surface cure for a full 24 hours before you begin painting your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.